Chalo, now let us go for the next topic, that is meaning and definition of transport. If you remember guys, introduction of this chapter we said other services. We are going to discuss three things under the other services. Tell me these three services: insurance, transportation and warehousing. We completed about the insurance, which was the major topic. Now let us go for the second one, that is transportation. So understand meaning and definition of transportation. Firstly, we'll see the meaning of transport. See guys, transport is the physical means of moving goods and person from one place to another. So how do you know this? See this video now. What is happening here? This vehicle is moving the goods or people from one place to another place, from one place to another place here. So this is called transport. So transport is the physical means of moving goods and person from one place to another. Got it? Transport creates the place utility of goods by moving from different center of production to the place of consumption. What do you mean by this? Already I said about the time utility, place utility. One second, let us understand about the place utility. I will give two examples. See here, already okay, we have seen somewhere. Let us say sand in the river. When the sand is there in the river, is it having any value? No, sand is not having any value. But sir, when we are extracting the sand from the river and bringing to the city, can I say now that sand will have value? Yes. So tell me how we are adding value to the sand here? By moving the sand from one place to another by the transport. Yes or no? So by changing the place of goods, got it, from the river to the city, we are adding value. So adding value is called utility. Got it? How we are adding the utility? By changing the place, that is called place utility. Got it here? In the same way, sir, when the goods are there in the factory, got it, let us say sir, in the factory goods will be sold at a wholesale price. Let us say goods at that time here, when it is in the factory, it is having value of only, let us say 20 rupees. But when it will come to the market for the ultimate consumer, same goods which was having value of 20 rupees now will be sold for 30 rupees. Extra how much here? 10 rupees. How? Sir, movement. Yes or no? When, understand guys here, so when that goods was there in the factory, it was having value of only 20 rupees. But now when these goods brought from the factory to the market, sir, it is having value of 30 rupees. It means again these goods are adding certain value. How? By changing the place of goods from the factory to the market. So again we are adding value to the goods. How? By changing the place of goods by the use of transport. So I will say here transport will create place utility of goods, nothing but will add value to the goods by moving them from the different center of factories or production to the place of consumption, that is to the market. That is the meaning of transport. And let us see the definition. Same meaning guys. See this image, what is happening here? There is movement of people, animals and goods from one place to another place with the help of a vehicle. This is nothing but called, tell me, transport, sir. So definition, transport can be defined as movement of people, animals and goods from one place to another with the help of a vehicle. This is the definition of transport. Very simple. Got it? Now let us go for the next topic, that is modes of transport. Sir, what do you mean modes of transport? Understand in very simple word, then we will come for the book, what is there in the book here. See guys, I have to move the goods or animals or human beings, nothing but the people, from one place to another place. But sir, we have so many types of transport. Like I can move the goods by the use of four-wheeler or nothing but by the use of cars, what it, roadways. I can move the goods from one place to another place by the use of what is that? I am not dancing idiot. What is that? Airways. Yes or no? I can use poo, choo, 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 choo. What is that? Train. Yes or no? I can use ship also. Swimming. I am not swimming here, means I am just showing here. So ship here. So I can understand move the goods, person, animals from one place to another by the use of roadways, waterways, airways, railways, etc. Yes or no? So there are so many types of transport we are having. So these types of transport is only called modes of transport here. Got it? So see the meaning here. A mode of transport is a solution got it, that makes use of a particular type of vehicle such as a ship, train, aeroplane and tell me and truck or car, what it may be here, ठीक है. So the transport of a person or of a cargo means goods, may involve one mode or several mode of transport. What do you mean this? Understand guys, here I can see I have to send the goods, see the example guys, I have to send the goods from Hyderabad, India to, understand please, to Mumbai, got it, India only. Now sir, how I can send these goods from Hyderabad to the Mumbai within the country? Can I say, sir, I can send these goods through the truck, no problem, only roadways? Yes or no? Acha sir, can I send this only through the airways? Yes, I can send. Yes or no? Or sir, if, understand here, if I want to send these goods from Hyderabad to Mumbai only by the airways, can I send? Yes, airways, railways, I can use any mode here. If I am using only one mode, like if I am using only roadways, if I am using only railways, if I am using only airways, sir, I am transporting the goods by taking only one type of mode of transport or only one type of transport, that is, let us say only roadways, only water, only airways or only railways, that will be called as a, understand guys, that will be called as a single mode of transport. But sir, can I send in this way also? I want to use, understand here, I want to use roadways plus airways, roadways plus airways here, like from, understand guys here, firstly I want to send my goods to the airport, understand, airways directly will not come on my building here, yes or no, plane directly will not come on my building here, I want to send through the airways here. So from, let us say my factory is there in the Panjagutta, from Panjagutta I have to send the goods to the Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. From there, understand, now plane will move my goods from Hyderabad airport to the Mumbai airport, again from Mumbai airport to the place where I have to send the goods. It means I am using two mode of transport, roadways and what is it, roadways and tell me, roadways and airways here. So that is called, understand, that is called intermodal transport, or you can say multimodal transport. Achha sir, can I use three modes, roadways, airways as well as railways? Yes, I can use my wish here, but when I am using only one mode, that is called a single mode of transport. But when I am using two or more than two mode of transport, that is called a intermodal or multimodal transport. So hence, understand guys, the transport of a person or of cargo may involve one mode or several mode here, got it. If it is by one mode, that is called a single modal, and if it is by several mode, that is called intermodal or multimodal transport, got it. Sir, now the point is, sir, we have so many modes of transport like airways, railways, roadways, waterways. Sir, which one will be good? Guys, all these four types of transport have their own merits, have their own demerits here, got it. So hence I will say here, each mode has its own advantage and disadvantages, got it, which will be chosen based on the, which will be chosen for a trip on the basis of cost, how much of cost I am going to incur, capability, the goods which I want to send, can I send through the truck, whether truck can carry my goods or not, got it. So capability, whether the truck having that much of capability to carry my goods or not, or through the train. So I have to see the capability of mode of transport, and then route, which one will be very short for me, waterways, airways or railways. So understand, the mode will be chosen, okay, based on the cost, capability and route here. So this is all about the modes of transport meaning here.